y'all, this is Patti and I'm getting ready to make some chicken Florentine. I have my mallet here that I've been pounding the chicken a little, and I have it about where I need it right now, and I've wrapped this with some clean paper, plastic wrap, and I'm using smoked provolone cheese with that, and then I have the Parmesan grated cheese. I have garlic here, and I have spinach, butter, and some other seasonings. And right now I have my heat here on medium high, and I have butter in the skillet, about 2 tablespoons of butter and some olive oil. And I am going to season this chicken, and I have my seasonings here that I'm going to season with. And I have my flour that I'm going to flour with. Let me put on a glove and turn it over. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is well. I am well. It is a beautiful day, and I hope everybody else is doing well. I've been out and about today. Such a pretty day. I had some errands to run. So I've been out and about, and this is what I've got going here. And I'm going to flour this and put it in this butter, and I have a mixture in here. My seasonings that I have mixed here are onion powder, garlic powder, some thyme, and some smoked paprika. A little bit of salt and pepper. I'm using white pepper, a little bit of white pepper and salt. Okay. And I'm kind of pressing the seasoning down on this, like so. Okay, I'm gonna start off with these two, and I have seasoning in my pan here with flour and seasonings in there. So I'm going to flour this really well and shake off the excess. And I have my butter and my olive oil in the skillet here heating up. Okay, and I'm going to put this in the skillet like so. And when I get ready to do the spinach, I'll bring you back in. But right now, I'm doing the chicken, and I'm just showing you this process of doing the chicken. And I will bring you back in just a few. Just brought you back to let you see how the chicken is coming along. Getting ready to put the spinach in and the provolone cheese, but I'll be right back. This is the chicken Florentine. That's the spinach that I have steamed after the chicken was done. And then I put the provolone cheese on top of the chicken, and once it gets all melted, then I will come back and after it's been plated and show you what I have here. Here's the finished product of my chicken Florentine, and I have sprinkled grated Parmesan cheese on it. This is my spinach, and let me just take a bite. Look at all of this provolone cheese here. Look at that. Look at it. Let me take a bite. So good. So good.
Spinach. It is so good. So flavorful. Look at this. This is just scrumptious. Look at that. All that cheese, provolone, smoked provolone cheese on top. It's good, y'all. Please like, share, follow. By all means, subscribe. Ring that notification bell to be reminded of uploads. This is Patti, Patti's Southern Kitchen. I will see you on the next video. Bye now.